Hi everyone, I am presenting BackupPilot, a production-oriented multi-tenant backup orchestration platform for EC2 and EBS workloads, deployed on Vercel, built with Next.js and TypeScript. BackupPilot separates the control plane with the data plane. The management environment runs on Vercel, while all compute execution and backup storage remains isolated inside customers' AWS account. For our database backend, we leverage Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL Serverless version 2, giving each tenant physical database isolation. So here now you can see this is our dashboard, and from this is our dashboard, and from which we'll click on the get started button and we'll go to the login. Here you can also create an account. I already have an account, so I'll just log in through it. And this login is being authenticated by Cognito from the AWS. So all the authentication processes are done via a Cognito. Once you log in, you will be able to see this page. Inside uh, this page allows you to connect you to your AWS account. Here you can put the stack name, role ARN. This all the information will be provided on your CloudFormation on the AWS. And we also support multiple regions. So here you can see there are all the regions also, like Asia Pacific, Mumbai, and etc. etc. After you fill out the form, you just click on complete setup, and after that you will be able to see this dashboard. This dashboard has all the information about the processes which we have performed on the platform. Here you can see active policies. Active policies will be the policies for the backups, then the backup targets, which at what time the backups will be scheduled, everything. And this is a total storage and etc. etc. Backup execution history. This graph shows that at what time is the backup was executed and what is the success rate. Here we can see that we two backups were executed, and both of them has successfully executed and backups are carried out. And here you can see the storage growth, meaning at what is the volume of the storage. So next we leave the backup targets. Inside backup targets, we fill out of information of the instance and the volume of which we want to create the volume. We create a backup. So here we have to put the, we can put anything here, name as target name. It's like some instance name or something like that. This instance ID and volume ID will be provided, will be there on the AWS account. So we have to just copy paste it here and just verify and register. Once it click on the register, it will create an entry like this. So this demo instance is the instance we have just given the name to it, and these IDs are the main IDs from the AWS. After that, we go to backup policy. So backup policies, inside backup policy we create a scheduling via EventBridge. So we can schedule a backup with multiple frequencies like daily, 12 hours, weekly, or every Sunday, something like that. Or we can also put custom rate or cron job also, like this rate 4 hours I'll put. Then I'll give something like schedule backup, and I'll select the instance which I want to take the backup of. So this come dynamically from the backup targets. So we have to just select it and click on create. Once it is created, you can see the backup has been created. So what I'll do, instead of running it 4 hours, I'll just forcefully run it. As you can see, the backup is ran successfully, and this will be now visible in the backup history. Backup history has all the information about the backups, and here you can see this schedule backup, the one we have created just now, has run successfully with status success, and details is snapshot created. And in the EBS snapshots we have the information about the snapshot, how it is stored. So this is the backup we have run, the size of the backup, and the region, and some information at what time it is created. From here we can restore this by clicking on the action, that restore action, and we just have to deploy volume and restore. After this, the restore will restore will commence, and the instance will be restored, and everything which whichever done here, it will be displayed in the restore operations. In the report metrics, we can download the reports of overall how the success rate, etc. All those things from the system in PDF or CSV format. And we also have the profile page as well as default setting. Our default setting is the page where we have set default values. So yes, this was our whole system. Thank you.